25 miles from the New Mexico border. And it's a beautiful day today, but this sun is beating down on my left arm and it's burning it to a crisp. So I wish I had some way to block out the sun from this window. But anyway, pretty nice out here today. And maybe I will run across some desert once I get up into New Mexico. So we'll see. Got a few hills here. I'm in New Mexico now. And I don't know how long I've been in New Mexico. Probably about an hour. And starting to get into some deserty looking country a little bit. Close to Tucumcari, New Mexico, wherever that is. About 162 miles from Albuquerque. And my delivery is south of Albuquerque in Los Lunas. And I'm going to stop probably 30 or 40 miles before I get to Albuquerque and spend the night there. And got these mesas and stuff. It makes me curious about the geology that caused them. What caused these structures? It was so flat back in Texas, and now we have these kind of mesas jutting up out of the ground. I sound like a goofball. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Pretty nice out here. I'm about 70 miles from Albuquerque. I'm now in Mountain Time, which is 2 hours from where you are in Eastern Time. So it's 2 hours earlier here. It's only 3:30 right now, so that's cool because I got an extra hour, in this trip to make the delivery. So that's great. And it's kind of pretty out here. There's a lot of grass and stuff, but I see a little cactus and hills every once in a while. Mostly flat. Got a little closer to give you a little bit better view of these hills. Now I'm headed from Albuquerque area down to El Paso to pick up a load going to Dallas area. And there's some kind of mountains on the horizon that I thought would be cool to get in a video. If you could see them at all in here, it's kind of hard to see, but they're pretty big. This is headed south on I-25 in New Mexico. And I'm probably about, well, it says I'm 175 miles from hitting I-10. So I got a good long ride to get to El Paso. Because once I get on I-10, there's still a ways to go. But I'm going to keep this on so you can see these mountains a little better. They don't show it very well on the camera, but they're pretty big on the horizon. No trees to speak of out here. It's just kind of some scrubby brush, and the mountains look like mostly just dirt and rock. But you asked me to get some video of this kind of terrain for you, because you hadn't been out this way in a while. So I thought it would be cool to record some of this. Another one of those mountains off to my right. You can't see it, but it's like directly to my right. And some more over on the left in the distance. I was listening to music on Pandora, but every time I record video, it turns the Pandora off. So I can't get any of the music on the video. Which is a bummer. Some of these videos too, and you can hardly hear me talking over the noise of the truck. I'm so sorry, it's hard to hear. I kind of have to shout as loud as I can just to be heard at all. Anyway, that's the scenario right now. Still headed south on I-25 on my journey from Albuquerque to El Paso to pick up a load going to Dallas, and getting into some pretty cool scenery here. I guess I'm about 68 miles from I-10, so 68 miles north of I-10 on I-25 headed south, and got some kind of mountains around here, and looks like kind of a lake up ahead too. just went through Truth or Consequences, New Mexico, about 10 miles back, I think. This is Hillsboro. But I've never been down this way before, so I didn't know what to expect at all. Some horses grazing up there on the side of the mountain. Huh. Oh, it is a lake over there. I'll be darned. You can barely see it in the video. But it's over to the left a little bit. Pretty. Now this is heading east on I-10 from El Paso. Guess about 80 miles out of El Paso, something like that. Not much out here. Just mountains, sagebrush, and cedars. There's a truck stop. It's too early for me to stop. Getting up close and personal with these mountains. I guess we're fixing to go through a pass here or something. Sorry, that's my late departure warning.